Okay, so let's discuss about today's class. So as part of yesterday's class, we discussed about we discussed about hide video panel. So as part of yesterday's class, we learn about complete if condition. So what is the syntax of the if condition? If how it should I mean if should ends with fi, and along with that. So we also learn about simple if with else statement, and else if statement, and numeric test. Even how to use how to use numeric test is okay. We have to discuss string test, file test, how to use the logical operator. So all those things okay we have discussed it on yesterday. So we have discussed it on yesterday. So I hope it's clear for everyone. And even we have also started creating a new program. So which is a kind of complex program. So with help of all these conditions, if you want to create a program, so with these many conditions, we have implemented level by level. So we have implemented the level by level. So level by level we have implemented it. So this is for 3, 4. If we are having a knowledge on loops, then we don't require this much of lengthy program. So within 30 to 40 lines, we can finish it. We can achieve it. That we'll discuss. So this is the how we can use the and symbol or symbol. So if you want to keep all of them in all of them into one line. So what we can do? So you can just remove here, and then you can also keep it. So mainly we use this square brackets for testing and evaluation purpose, and parenthesis is mainly for the arithmetic operations, mainly for the arithmetic operations. I hope it's clear for everyone. So even this condition is for, so ensure the input whatever you are providing name should not contains any numbers, and the remaining that mark should not contains any characters. Mark should not contains any character. So how do we check this one? So if dollar name or dollar name, so this is the equals to. So this is that beginning. The beginning should be either A to Z and N to J. I mean small a to small j, and hyphen a to small. This is a small case and uppercase. So dollar. So beginning and dollar. Beginning and dollar. I mean from beginning to end. So only contains the character. So for every character should be plus. Okay, every character should be characters only. Either a small a to small z or capital A to capital Z. So the intent of this one is, so if I'm going to keep, so this is a kind of evaluation, right? This is a kind of evaluation, evaluating the things. That's why we are going to keep it on double into the double square brackets. So here, so in case if it is not of this guy, not equals to of this guy, it will throw the error message. So from beginning to end, for example, if I am passing this as a input argument a, then it is it is satisfying this one, or satisfying guments. Plus means, so to iterate the loops and all, then we go with plus. Dollar means end. So for that purpose, we go with this one. The remaining things was the same. The same way is equals to here numbers. So the same plus symbol and dollar, and beginning and ending it should be number only. This way we are going to validate the things. So I hope it's clear for everyone. And with help of this we can also create n number of programs as well. There is no limitations for that. So now we'll discuss about we'll continue to learn about further concepts. So which is case statements, which is case statement. So a case is a continuation of conditional statement only. So as part of the case, the functionality of the case is as similar as if else condition. So what is the meaning of what is that what is the intent of if else condition? So if you are passing an input, that input you are going to evaluate with multiple conditions. Whichever the condition is satisfying, then the statements which are under that condition are going to be execute. So similarly, if you go with case statement, the functionality of case statement is as similar as, it is completely replica of if else conditions, if else the condition. So the syntax of case will be case variable name. So we need to pass it as, you need to pass it as a case variable in statement one. So conditions, so it should end with two semicolons, and statement two, and operations, and at the end star, then default. So case should end with a keyword called ESAC. The way how if is going to end with fi, and case should also end with case also should end with yes, AC. So earlier we are going to specify the condition. So if a greater than 90, some condition. So here, so with the help of case statement, even we can also reduce the number of lines of a program. Even you can able to reduce the number of lines of program. That is also one thing we can able to achieve it by using with case statement. And the syntax of case is the syntax of case is case control variable. We can also call it as control variable name, or control variable in, so value. So whichever the value is satisfying, it will execute those conditions which are available. So these two these two I mean, this is mainly for, these two semicolons are mainly for differentiating the condition one and conditions two. I mean, conditions one and condition two. Okay. And at the end, I mean, star is not a mandatory. So I mean, then star means if the variable is not satisfying any of this value, it will come with star, and it will execute this guy, it will execute this one is the default like case. So like else, so the same way. So the condition is not satisfying, the variable is not satisfying with any of this value, it will execute this one. The simple example is hash not. So bin by bash, read hyphen p, enter the, so enter the number. So enter the number, hyphen hyphen enter the number. Then then, so after that, case, just dollar n1 in, case dollar n1 in. So simply we can able to case dollar n1 in. So for example, if it is 10, so if it is a 10, some operations. If it is a 10, some operations, whatever the operations you want, we can able to execute. So if it is 20, if it is 20, then operations, then operations, then then 30, then same operations, then same operations, then 40, like this. We can able to add n number of things, we can able to add. So n number of things we can able to, so keep at the end star, star, then operations, then star, operations. This way we can able to be, so execute. So case should end with ESAC. So what are the use cases of case? So whenever you want to run some wrapper programs, or for example, assume that uh, yeah, assume that I mean, there is a program, the program is going to, so run by multiple users. If the user, if the specific user is going to run, so we have to say that, I mean, you have to add some extra, some extra preferences, or want to run more and more. And during those scenarios, during those scenarios, then we can go with then we can go with, then we can go with this case statement. So the usage of case statement is very simple. The usage of case statement is very simple. And this way, I mean, whatever you are passing, so based on that input, so it will be executed. So let me launch this Linux server. So let's launch Linux servers. cd var temp. Okay, cd var temp. Okay, then here cd var temp. So va case underscore test dot sh va case underscore test dot sh. So we'll try to use the same thing instead of using all those things. So now case dollar n1 in case dollar n1 in. So directly, so we have to mention 10. If it is a 10, so if it is a 10, if you want to run ls hyphen lrt, then if you want to run multiple commands wc hyphen l and pwd. So if it is 20, so you want to run some set of commands. So for example, you want to run ls hyphen l capital rt forward slash var temp greater than greater than var temp var temp abc dot txt and ls hyphen lrt pipe then pipe wc hyphen l. So if it is 30, so if it is 30, so you want to run some set of commands. For example, if it is 30, you want to run ps hyphen eaf pipe wc hyphen l. So then who hyphen b and who command I want to run. So if it is 40, it's a kind of operations. It's a kind of operations we are going to be specified. So if it is a 40, so if you want to run it for some other commands, stating that stating that for example if it is 30, so grep hyphen I, so apple for apple forward slash apple forward slash var temp, so var temp star. Then if it is then star, so then if it is star, so echo it's invalid, it's invalid input, so it's invalid input, then es ac, it's invalid input and es ac. So this way we can able to this way we can able to create programs by using with case statement. So now go ahead and run this one. ls hyphen lrt chmod 755 case underscore test dot sh. Now dot forward slash this one echo enter the number. I'm going to give as a 20. So echo enter the echo enter the number 20. So for example, 20. So we are going to get the output as 23. So whatever is there on 23. So for 23, so if it is a 20, we are going to this one and let's also execute this guy. So even this command also might have executed. This command might also so executed. So if you are going to give input as 10, so if you are going to give input as 10, 10, then this kind of output, so we will get it. This kind of output we are going to get it. So this is how, so we are going to for example ls hyphen lrt cat test data sh. What we have mentioned as part of 10. So wc hyphen l we haven't specified anything, any input, so it was stuck there only. So we have to specify ls hyphen lrt wc hyphen l, so that way we can able to this is the one of the best example of by using this case statement. So case statement is mainly for mainly, so here ls hyphen lrt pipe wc hyphen l. So when do we go with the use cases of case statements are, so as I said that for example if you are going to you are going to run a program. So you are going to run a program. So whenever you are going to run a program, so or assume that so you have decided to travel from from place A to place B. You are going to search. Then you will get different options, right? So for example, first I mean if you go to the best example is Google Map. Whenever if you go to the Google Map and search for any distance, it will show the I mean it will show the navigation and different timings for walk and two wheelers and four wheelers, and if it is the distance is for eight, so how much is for the train, how much is for plane. So which means that so whichever you have selected, for example, if whichever the option you select, for that option only it will for that option only 1 minute. So, okay, I mean, if you want to, enable, menu based kind of things. So during that time, we can go ahead and, use this, during that time, we can go and, use this, case statement. So, or for example, assume that if you go to, if you go to, a restaurant, even a restaurant also, we will get, menu card, right? In the menu card, we'll be having different section. So, for example, if you are going with the starters, the moment when you select a starters, then under that whatever it is available it is going to display, right? So if you want to achieve such kind of functionalities, then we can go with this case statement mainly for menu based options, or matching the filter extensions. For example, assume that so if they I mean in a current directory, so in a current directory, so if you want to print the matching file extensions and all, and even if you want to execute, if you are passing an input as one, if you are going to pass input as a, if you want to display such multiple options, for those kind of things, we go with case statements. Those kind with we can go with a case statements. And one more thing is, so if you want to display the confirmation YRN, so if I mean you are going with RM minus RF some file name, so you will get an exception that whether do you want to, so whether do you want to execute this program or not, YRN. So to achieve such kind of things, then we go with this case statement. For example, what I mean to say that, so if you go with hash not, so bin by bash. So now then read hyphen p, read hyphen p. Do you want to continue? Do you want to continue the execution? Do you want to continue the execution? So brackets, yes, or no. So yes or no. Okay, yes or no. Then here input. So input. Then read that input. So after that yes or no. Whatever that if you are going to read, then read input. So read input. So after read input. So instead of read, I mean, so read input is not needed. So case dollar input. So case dollar input in. So for example, if you are going to specify either y or capital Y or pipe symbol. So for example, here y, and if you want to add multiple conditions. For example, assume that so again pipe symbol. So if you are pipe symbol means R conditions. So for example, again y is capital Y, and even here. So here I mean even small e capital E. So small e capital E, and even if you want to specify even if you want to specify yes, so again capital S. So to specify this kind of things, to specify this kind of thing, then we can go ahead and use this. Then we can go ahead and you, for example, here, so echo continuing, so echo continuing, so echo proceeding with operations, proceeding with the operations below. We can write all echo statements, then execute statements, then after that, so execute statements. So if you are going to pass it as n, so then aborting. So instead of y, if you go with n and capital N, So okay, here also okay n, and okay capital N, and okay here no, small o and capital O. So in these scenarios, so sometimes we don't know, right? Sometimes we pass small no, capital no, or okay, small n, capital N. Whatever you are passing, it has to okay the R symbol. You know the meaning of R symbol, right? Whichever the input you are going to get, so this is going to be okay execute. This is going to be so okay execute. So okay here some operations. So here so okay operations. So here there is a mistake. What is the mistake? Okay here. Okay here this is the mistake, and okay here okay then okay star. So okay echo invalid okay inputs, echo invalid okay input, invalid okay input, then okay yes AC. So okay here echo received okay, and echo proceeding with the operations, proceeding with the operations okay below. Okay, or here echo we can mention that okay control V, so we can also comment it whatever you want to okay run it. So okay, okay received a signal not to proceed, not to proceed. Then okay exit. So then okay we can also come with the exit. So this way even exit also not needed. So then okay it won't okay, or okay we can also specify the okay exit. So exit keyword also we can able to be specify. So okay here we can mention as okay ls hyphen okay lrt, and okay forward slash, and then WHO, whatever the operations it is. Okay, system CTL, okay, restart, okay, ABCD, whatever operations you want, we can able to be okay specify. We can able to okay specify. Now okay, run this program. So okay, VA case okay, underscore one dot okay sh. So okay, the same way we can able to okay use that. So okay, if you want to and okay even, so instead of okay vi we are also having a vim statement. We are also having a so okay vim statement. So vim. So vim also okay vim is also a good utility. So where we can able to it will display okay, in a kind of notepad plus plus only. Vi is a kind of notepad. Vim is a kind of okay notepad plus plus. So read hyphen p input case dollar input n. So okay we are going to be specify. So why? So whichever the input okay you are going to pass, this will run okay this many commands. If it is a no, so this many of okay, operations okay we are going to be so okay execute. So set only. So whichever the set we are going to do, we are going to be execute. Then okay ch mode 755 case underscore one dot okay sh. So okay here now go ahead and run dot forward slash case one dot sh. So do you want to continue the execution? So if you press okay Y, so it is going to be run. So if you are going to capital Y also okay same thing. Capital Y also okay same way. Or okay if you go with okay any format, if I give you the capital Y a small, that way also it will go. All the combination we have covered, right? So okay small capital letter also it will go. So whichever the input you are going to provide, so these kind of things okay, you might have seen it on okay some places where if you want, are you really want to proceed yes or not. If you press yes, so in the backend, so that yes will be read by your program, accordingly it will give the instructions to the case statement or okay if condition, then okay we can able to continue the okay program. That is how okay we can that is the so logic okay behind on okay programs. Now, so if you use okay any of okay n, so if you just receive the okay n, then okay simply whatever small n, capital N, whatever it is. For example, if you're trying to pass it as okay 0, then okay invalid input. So you will get as a invalid okay input. So either it will take the input as n, okay small n, small n, capital O. All those combinations can take the input. All those combinations it can take the okay input. So these are the different okay programs what we can able to be write the okay write with okay shell script. Now we will write okay one okay real time okay shell scripts. We will write okay one okay, one real usage case of shell script. The shell script is so check the okay utilization of okay check the disk space utilization of okay disk space utilization of okay, check the disk space utilization of apps fs, and okay notify, and okay notify. So okay, if the utilization is, more than okay 90, more than okay 90 or okay 80%, more than 90 or so 80 percentage. So in order to okay, run the shell script, what is the meaning of okay apps file system? So now run okay df-h. So do we have a apps file system? We don't have it. So now go ahead and use this okay df-h. Now let's take it as a okay boot. So okay, now let's take it as a okay boot file system, and if it is greater than okay 80, it's a notification. In our case, okay, we'll make it as a 25 percentage. We'll make it as a so okay 25, because okay we don't have that much okay space, right? Okay 25, 20, okay fine. Check the disk space utilization of okay boot fs and notify if the utilization is okay more than okay 25 okay percentage. So in this case, hash not okay bin by, so hash not bin by okay bash echo, okay checking the disk space utilization, checking the okay disk space okay utilization of okay boot fs on okay host name. So okay host name at okay date double greater than, so okay var temp. So or okay just okay use it as okay temp disk utilization, I mean okay temp boot underscore okay fs underscore validation dot txt or okay dot log. You know the meaning of log file, right? So I'm going to create a new file. Whenever you run a program, so this file okay will be overwritten, this file will be overwritten. Then after that, we are trying to okay check, how do we check the utilization of okay now df-h okay boot. So we are going to get as a two lines. Now we want to read, if it is more, okay, I want to read this value. If it is greater than 25, I want a notification. Mainly it is 90 or 95. But since we don't have that much file systems, we are going with okay now. So here, how do we get that okay last line from a file? I want to ignore the okay header. I want to extract only this okay file system. I want to extract only this okay file system. Then we can go with okay tile hyphen okay one. So tile hyphen one. Now I want to extract the fifth field, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So or in single quotations print dollar okay 5, wherein it has 26. But I don't want 26, right? I want only the 26 number. Again we can go with okay arc hyphen f. So here field separator is percentage, and okay print okay dollar okay 1, print dollar okay 1. So we are getting it as a 26. So okay here, with the help of okay this output, we are getting okay two lines. After that we added tile hyphen 1, we are going to get okay this output. After that, if I use print $5, I am going to get this output. If I am going with okay, this option, I am going to get 26. Don't ask okay, now how it is going to work, because we learned arc command and tile and head commands multiple times. Okay, multiple times. Even arc we spent more than okay 1 day, more than a day for arc command. So this way we are trying to okay, extract okay, the details which are okay, whichever you are okay, looking. Now assign this output to a variable. So assign this output to a so okay, okay variable. Utilization is equals to. So directly we can go with okay this way, or so okay we can also go with okay 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 utilization is equals to. Then okay we can also go with okay this way also. So okay the either of the way we can go with this. So okay dollar, not dollar, I think just keep it is in okay brackets. So okay, even okay we can also go with okay this, so brackets okay as well. Okay, echo okay dollar utilization and okay dollar okay UTA, you will get as a same output 26 and 26. So we can keep, okay, we can go with either backwards, or okay, we can go with, okay, this dollar symbol followed by this, okay, parenthesis. Parenthesis also help us to perform the operation. So here we are trying to perform the commands, okay, inside between this, and we are trying to access the value of, okay, that in outside. So okay, value of that, okay, outside. Now we will try to, okay, add, okay, all these conditions in, okay, okay, in our, okay, programs, in our, okay, program. So now this way also we can go, or okay, we can also go with, okay, this command. Either of the command we can able to so use it. Now we can go with, okay, if dollar utilization, if dollar utilization is greater than or is equals to, okay, 25, okay, then, okay, echo, okay, then, okay, echo the disk utilization, okay, the disk utilization, okay, the disk utilization of, okay, boot f, okay, boot, okay, fs is more than, okay, okay, more than, okay, okay, more than 25 on, okay, on, okay, on, okay, host, okay, on, okay, on host name it's not required, more than, okay, 25, okay, then, okay, double greater than. So we are going to append this output to, so this file we are going to append this output to a, okay, this file. Then okay, then after that you want to send a mail, right? So okay, echo, okay, disk utilization is, okay, disk, okay, utilization is, okay, more than, okay, more than, okay, 25. So basically we write it for okay, 25, okay, on, so okay, host name, okay, on host name, okay, at, okay, date, so at date pipe, okay, mail hyphen s, then okay, subject. So the subject also, okay, we can mention this as a subject, or what we can do is, okay, disk utilization is, okay, this will, we can add it as a subject. The disk utilization is, okay, more than, okay, 25 percentage, then okay, mail id. So then okay, mail id, okay, 1 comma, okay, mail id, okay, 2. So we'll try to, okay, specify. So here what we do is we'll try to use, okay, cat. So okay, cat, okay, this file name. So cat, okay, this file name. So okay, then double quotations this way. Then okay, F5. Then okay, we can go with this, okay, F5. So this is a one kind of real time, okay, program. This is also a kind of real time, okay, program. So we can go ahead and, okay, use the same one. So okay, here echo. So we'll also, okay, comment, okay, this line, because we don't have a mail facility, right? So okay, we'll say that. So we'll just, okay, write, okay, one line stating that echo, okay, disk space is, okay, more than, okay, 25, and okay, it's, okay, danger zone, okay, danger zone, just for, okay, our learning purpose we can write, okay, whichever is, okay, needed. So now go and, okay, here, okay, VIM, okay, disk underscore test dot, okay, sh, disk test dot, okay, sh. So the advantages of Vim is very straightforward. So we can easily, it will display the coloring and, okay, all those details. So utilization, UTI, whichever. I mean, this is a comment. So okay, either of the one, okay, we can, okay, use it. But okay, I have specified it as, okay, both. So dollar utilization greater than 25. Then so okay, basically, so now what we'll do, so just go ahead, okay, sh, vim underscore, okay, disk underscore, disk space is, okay, more than 25, and it's danger, okay, zone. The, okay, like that, okay, if you want to, okay, display the values, then okay, we go with, okay, this, we go with, okay, this if condition. This kind of programs we do. Basically what we do is we'll try to identify the files, to find, okay, find forward slash, okay, boot, okay, var log hyphen, okay, type f, so hyphen, okay, m time plus 7, so plus 7 hyphen name, okay, star dot, okay, okay, star dot, okay, gz, star dot gz hyphen exec rm minus rf flower brackets backward slash semicolon. So we'll try to perform some cleanup, we'll try to perform some, okay, cleanup. And okay, we'll also, okay, add, okay, so greater than 7 days files, okay, we are trying to, okay, zip. So okay, for example, okay, if you want to, so hyphen exec, so okay, plus, okay, okay, plus 3, so okay, plus 2 hyphen exec gzip. So GG flower brackets this one, and okay F5. So still okay, I mean after that okay, again we'll try to okay, again we'll try to run the utilization. So okay, after running this okay, utilization, okay, again okay, we'll add okay the same condition. So if it is still I mean greater than 25, echo. So okay, echo after cleanup. So after cleanup of okay, after cleaning up after cleanup of so after removal of certain commands, okay, disk space is not in control, not in okay, disk space is not reducing. So reducing on okay host name. So okay, host name pipe mail hyphen s. So okay, subject, then okay mail id, this way we can write it. So okay, then okay, if it is still greater than or equal to 25, so okay, then okay f5, which means that, so what is the motto of okay this program? Check first the disk space utilization greater than 25. So if it is okay I mean check the disk space utilization of boot fs. If it is greater than 25, so if it is greater than 25, if it is greater than 25, okay, remove okay older files. Okay, remove all 7 days. 7 days okay zip files, and okay zip, okay zip okay all okay zip, okay zip okay more than okay 2 days, okay 2 days okay zip files, okay from logs, okay from log folder. So okay, which is okay which is okay boot, okay boot okay where okay log, whatever it is. Then after that, okay, recheck the utilization. Still it is greater than okay, still it is okay, still it is greater than okay 25, greater than 25. Send an okay email. Send an okay email. This way we are trying to okay check. So here echo, and we can also add the comments. How do we add the comments? So okay, I mean okay here first we are trying to first we are extracting the disk space utilization. If it is greater than 25, okay, then okay we are going to okay we are going to do some cleanup. The same cleanup commands we have specified. And okay, if the cleanup is okay, after cleanup also again we are trying to check one more time. Still okay, after that also still it is greater than okay 95. Okay, after that okay, still it is greater than 25. We are going to okay send an okay email. So okay, after cleanup also still it is not in control. Mail hyphen as okay subject, mail id. Currently the utilization is current okay utilization is, so okay dollar UTI mail ID. This way we can able to create okay some real time programs. So if you are going to okay work on so if you are going to okay work on some real time, and not only real time, we can also, if you are going to work on, if you are having a laptop, and so if you want to schedule this program in cron tab, okay, assume that you have created this program. You can't run it manually, right? So if you want to execute this program okay, automatically every day at okay, 12 p.m. So what we can do? So okay, we can able to create okay, create an entry on cron tab. So cron tab hyphen e. So cron tab hyphen e. So what is the minutes? Every day midnight, right? Minutes, hours. Okay, star. Okay, star. Okay, home by. Okay, RAM by. So okay, boot underscore okay fs underscore cleanup dot okay sh, so that it will okay, run every day at okay midnight. So if you want to run every 6 hours, then okay, okay, how do we run okay every 6 hours? The same command will mention minutes okay 00 and okay 06, then okay 12 comma okay 18. So 18, and this way they okay 4 times runs in a day. So like this, okay, we can able to okay run the program. Able to run a okay program. So this is the real usage of shell scripting. So we can able to create a programs, and we can also automate it. So we can able to customize. This is kind of customization, and okay, we are going to automate by using this cron tab. We are going to schedule also. Okay, this is the functionality of Awk and okay, say, okay, so this is a functionality of case statement. Case and okay, if whatever it is, okay, we can able to okay do that. And so even we can also, I mean, once we, you can also okay, imagine some real-time cases. For example, you can let's take an example of okay, imagine that okay, we're having a shop. So if we're having a shop, if a customer is purchasing more than okay 10 pencils or okay more than 10 pencils, you want to provide okay 5% discount. If the customer is okay purchasing okay two pencils, you want to provide okay 1% discount. If they are going to purchase okay 300, I mean more than 30, then okay 15% discount. So then after that discount, so I mean, so for example, you just write a program, a small program. So try to okay take the input. So try to take the input. So okay, in a given shop, so in a given shop, so if a quantity of any item is greater than 10, give me 10% discount. It is less than 10, give me okay, I mean provide 5% is discount. If it is okay, I mean greater than 20, okay, it is greater than 20 to 100. So I mean whatever it is, from if it is greater than 20, less than greater than 10 and less than 20, provide some discount. So and okay, even along with that, so the discounts. So discount criteria how it should be is, so okay, if okay okay yeah, okay, if item price, so if item price is okay greater than okay 2000, and okay or quantity of an item is okay less than okay 10, then provide okay 5% okay discount, 5% discount. So which means that anything, if you are purchasing a single product, the worth of the product is okay 2000, or total number of that is 10, so we can go with okay this okay, okay discount. And similarly, so the product price is okay greater than or I mean less than 3000 and greater than or equal to 2000, or okay, total quantity is okay greater than 20, sorry, greater than 10, less than 20, just provide 10% discount. Then after that, so read all of them, then provide a total sum. So after that, so okay, read okay all inputs. So okay, I mean first try to do this. If you want to okay do the same for okay multiple things, you need to know that iterative control statements. That iterative control statements we are going to okay start on okay tomorrow. So we are going to okay discuss it on okay tomorrow. What is the meaning of iterative control statements? If you are going to execute same set of code more than one times or predefined number of times, then we can go with then okay we can go with okay this okay iterative control statements. In Unix, total okay we are having okay three iterative control statements: while loop, for loop, and okay simple okay loop. And okay we can also create okay we can also create a, so okay, even when you are coming tomorrow, just try to create okay this okay, okay this program, one program, and okay second program is okay simple interest. Simple interest you want to calculate. So you want to calculate. So criteria will be, so if number of okay if okay, I mean for example assume that, so okay, what is the formula of this one? Okay, P into okay T into okay R, PTR by 100. This is the simple formula. Principal amount, okay time, and okay range. So now here okay time. So okay, if time is, so if time is okay, if time is less than, so I mean consider we are going with okay 2 years. So what is that okay number of days for okay 2 years? 365. So okay, if that okay time is less than okay 700 okay days, 365 365 okay 3 okay I mean okay so I mean okay instead of 700 we can make it as okay 730 days. Okay, 730 days. So 730 days, go with okay, go with, so directly P into T into R. For example, if that amount is okay, P is equals to 10,000, and okay, then okay, T okay, then consider okay T time, and okay, then okay R. Then R will be 2, just okay perform the operations. So if the time is okay greater than greater than okay 730, So greater than or is equal to okay 730, and okay you are going to go with okay different okay options. For example 730, and okay if it is okay greater than okay 2 years, simply greater than or is equals to okay 2 years, and okay less than okay 3 years, or okay less than okay 4 years. So exactly less than okay 4 years, okay less than okay 4 years, okay 4 years. Then you need to whatever the amount you are getting, this amount okay the total amount of okay previous calculation plus time and okay interest rate. Then if it is okay greater than okay greater than or is equals to okay 4 years, and okay less than or is equals to okay 6 years. Now the total amount of okay this guy plus okay that like that. For example, so okay here okay if you go on okay here consider that total okay the interest, the principal amount and total amount 10,000, it will be around 7,300, 70,000 okay 300 total amount. So now you need to calculate the interest for okay interest for okay 17,300. So for example, if it is 17,300, if it is greater than okay I mean between 4 to 6 years, so it will be around okay again okay 17,000 plus 300, it will come okay around okay 12 okay, I mean so okay for 12,000. So now okay 12,000 I mean around it will be around I think assume that it's 25k. Now we need to calculate the interest for 25k, 25k plus interest. So total we have to say that okay total we have to display, total okay we have to display stating that. So boss, this is the date you have taken amount. So first for first 2 years, this is the principal amount. The next 2 years, this is that okay. This is the interest amount, total amount, principal amount, interest amount, total amount. The next principal amount, interest amount, total amount, principal amount, interest amount, total amount, and total okay how much you need to pay at the end. So if you are going to okay give okay 10,000 as an okay I mean 10,000 rupees you have taken from others. If it is 6 years, almost you have to pay 25k or 30k okay according to our program. So if it is okay if you have taken okay 5,000 rupees, almost okay it will reach at 12 or 13k. So like this you need to write a so program. So interest rate is 2 rupees, and okay time. So time okay we need to be okay specify. So here, okay, time should be in a month, right? So we can also go with the okay months. So if it is less than 24, okay, I mean 24 months. So instead of 2 years, we can go with okay 24 months. So now time we always go with 24, right? So okay, we go with okay months. So instead of this one, so okay, t is equal to this one. If it is greater than or is equals to 2, okay, I mean greater than or is equals to 24 months. So if it is greater than okay, I mean if it is less than 24 months, so if it is less than okay 24 months, so go with okay one interest rate. After that, so greater than or is equal to 24 and less than or is equal to 48, and greater than is equal to 48 and less than okay 60. Like this, okay, if you have to calculate, so we can go with this. So okay, try to create okay these two programs. For these two programs, you don't require so any iterative control okay statements as well. It is a simple and okay straightforward. Yeah, I will upload all the recordings, okay, maybe end of today or okay tomorrow, so you can able to do the practice. Okay, so tomorrow, okay, we'll discuss about iterative control, okay, statements.